Hello and welcome to David and the Drone. So today sees me back in near the Bridge of Orchy to do one of the Munros that I failed last time. So back in the Bridge of Orchy hills to do Beinn Mhanach, and the route I've chosen to come in is via Achallader. There's a nice big car park just off the road, and yeah, we're going up to this gap in the middle. BeinnMhanach this side, and then Achallader on this side. This is the way that you would normally come down on the Walk Islands route, but I've decided this way looks a bit shorter today, and it's more preferred. Weather-wise, it's absolutely roasting, clear blue skies almost. I'm really looking forward to this. Sun cream's on. It looks like we're going to reapply when I get up the top. So next one will be an update somewhere near the Beinn between BeinnMhanach and Achallader. I'll see you there. Ah, what a place this is. BeinnMhanach, Ridge to Achallader. Another wonderful waterfall there. This is the view down. An absolute cracker. What a day. So immediately you can see our next one, which is Beinn Mhanach, straight ahead, panning right, BeinnMhanach, BeinnMhanach, and BeinnAchallader. So BeinnAchallader is the last wild camp that I done, and this is the route that I took down from BeinnMhanach. But this time we're going straight ahead for Beinn Mhanach, and the next one will be an update somewhere along that path. Currently across from the south top of Beinn Mhanach, just behind, and the way I'm looking to go is down to the bog here in the distance. And we're going to cut up the shoulder right and in between the south top and the summit. So that's the next one. Still a good bit to go. I'll give you an update once I'm near that bog. So that's me reached the bog. Again, that's just behind me there. Won't be going near it, I'll be going around it. So this is the south top of Beinn Mhanach and the bog just in front. That's where we've come down from, worked our way down here to the bog and up. Poles are out. This is quite a grueling stage, not much of a path, but at least we've got the fence posts to help you out. Visibility is amazing today, so navigation's nice and easy. I'm now at the low point between the south top and the summit. Quite a slog to get up. Luckily it's not been raining too much, but it's still very boggy underfoot, so maybe this one's best done in a prolonged dry spell. Anyway, really close to the summit, so next one will be an update on the summit and we'll show you the views. See you there. Right, so we've made it to the summit of Beinn Mhanach, and it has been a slog, so really happy to be here. Amazing weather, so let's just take in those views. So looking back to Ben Doran, you see Ben Cruachan in the background, Ben Dothid, and Ben Achallader. In the gap, you can actually see the Ben, so Ben Nevis, no cloud on it today. Highest one in Scotland, or the UK for that fact. Swing around, Beinn Mhanach. These are the ones that I done on my whale camping video. And panorama looking more kind of north. Absolutely stunning. I don't tend to know the Munros up this way, so forgive me. I think that's a Lord's range actually. That was the last video we done. Yeah, it's Anstick, Ben Lors, Ben Glass, and clear view there. And coming around to the ones a wee bit closer, Ben Heathgarnish, and Ben Callum. Right, so plan is to just have a bite to eat here, then I'm going to nip over to the south top, and then I'll make my way back down. So next one would be possibly on the south top, and then making our way back down, so I'll see you there. Right, another wee update from me. We're making our way down, following that fence line. Still got those cracking views over to Beinn Mhanach and forward to Ben Doran. So just to show you where we're going, obviously following this fence line, we're going to work our way down here towards the bog, and then up. And there's a faint path, I don't know if you'll make it out, faint path just goes across and then up through the gap. I've decided just to take a little bit of a stop, nice bit of shade, some running water, so I've actually went through 3 litres of water today. I think obviously with the heat, it's just the way it goes, so I've got a filter with me, and I've just replened a bottle there, so I'm just going to spend 5 minutes in the shade just to get out of the sun for a bit. To my right is the start of that makeshift path. It's essentially a sheep path that I showed you earlier, so just about to jump on that. Probably 50 metres of ascent until I get on it. So next one will be at the low point between Beinn Dothid and Ben Achallader. See you there. That's me at the low point between Beinn Dothid and Ben Achallader. quite a slog up there, pretty steep, but really good to get onto that path. Just makes all the difference when you're out with the kind of wild ground. Boosts that morale up. But anyway, let's have a look. Have a look round from here. It's Beinn Doran, and Dothid, Beinn Achallader. That's the path that we're going down here. So I think this is probably the place to end the video. The rest is just a path down, and we've seen that on the way up anyway. So just to summarise the day, started off at Achallader car park, then worked up following the burn to the point in between Beinn and Dothid and Beinn Achallader. That's where I am now. From there followed a sheep path down to what's known as the bog at the base of Beinn Mhanach. Followed the fence line up Beinn Mhanach onto the summit. Come back from the summit, hit the south top, and then followed the fence line back to where we are now, essentially. So yeah, a really long day. The weather's taking its toll on me for sure. I'm looking very red, and like I say, 3 litres of water down. I'm just going to drink that stuff that I replanned. Stop here for 5 minutes and keep going. So I'd just like to say thanks for watching. I really appreciate you doing so, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye bye.